Hi, my name's Lawrence Ratcliffe. You'll know how annoying it is that when you go to print something, there's no paper in the printer, and even more annoying, there's no paper in the cupboard underneath the printer. And that's the use case that we've applied to our Salesforce of Things.
Hi, my name is Doug Merritt. I'd like to give a quick introduction to our Internet of Things. What we have is some technology here which enables you to manage your paper store in your company. We have technology in each of the printers to actually control if it's got paper in or paper out, so you can have that raised as a case automatically in Salesforce. And the nice thing about that is when the case is raised, it lets you know exactly where the paper is in the company, because we have our scales which actually measure how many reams of paper in each particular store. They could be right beside the printer, or could be in the main store as well. And it's all controlled by a little Arduino device here, which is hooked up to the internet and Salesforce. And the clever thing about that is it lets you follow the printers on chatter, so you can hear that information. So your devices are social. You can see your scales, you can see your paper usage, you can trend things, you can see how your paper usage is across the whole year. And the nice part about this is you're using all of Salesforce's technology and capabilities, but actually talking about a real-world scenario here. So what you're seeing here is the initial booting of the process itself. So the Arduino reads its configuration off an SD card, so you can configure it automatically by just putting different cards in it. It will hook up to the internet and it will connect to the appropriate proxy device as well to talk to Salesforce. It has been told it has both a scale and a printer, so therefore it's gone through and actually worked out how many reams of paper are on the scale and if the printer has got paper or not. So in summary, I'd like to give you a quick run through of actually how this works. So we have our printer here. If I make a printer page, it will take the paper, the last slice of paper out of the printer, and if you watch the Arduino, the printer's now out of paper. It's raised the case, it's told the person in the case exactly where the closest paper store is, which is right next door. So we come along now, and if we take the ream of paper off the scales, you see it's now recognised it, and there's 0 reams of paper. That's also raised the case as well, and let you know the paper's been used. Thank you very much for your time.